everyone, I just want to tell you what's going on today. A friend of mine, Michael Lee, he is actually CEO of this company here, Tribo-MAX. He sent me some products. There's some pretty great reviews of this stuff, but I had to try it for myself because this is hard to believe. You know, I'm from Missouri, Show Me State, so I gotta see it. So, sent me the product. I mean, it's got motor oil. We got a bunch of different ones here. There's coolant, transmission, fuel, gear system, but this is what we're gonna do today. This is the one that's supposed to really help a lot of the gas mileage and stuff. I think all of them gears, you know, but this one here I'm gonna try and just see. I'm gonna put it in our Toyota Camry. It marks our fuel mileage for us, computer. So I've heard of up to 50% more. If I get 2 miles a gallon more, I think this will be, you know, well worth it. So let's put it in. All right, so before we put the additive in the oil, we do this to drive around and warm it up. So and here you can see this thing tracks our fuel mileage. You can see our best is 34.2, and that is probably pure highway, and you can see where it's kind of sitting at. It's also got a little lever over here. It gives you your average. We're right at 26 miles a gallon average. So I'm not gonna put it in and then just drive down the highway and say, well, I'm gonna actually give it a week or so, and just give it some time to get to that average again, kind of where it's at. Because I really want to see overall what the difference is. Having the computer would definitely help it, so I don't have to go with the old mathematical calculator. Not that I can't read a calculator. So this goes into the dipstick first. So we're going to put 4 mLs into the dipstick, and then we're going to put 1 ml just in the top before we put the oil in. This is also the easiest one to put in, I think. We'll just push this in. And there's 4 in there. I'll put 1 in here. And goes the less. And it says to get every little bit out. That's it. All right. There's that. Very easy. So now we just start it up and let it run a couple minutes, and we turn it off and let it sit for a couple minutes, and then should be able to drive. I think this is a good time right now. We're just going to go ahead and update the fuel mileage. So right now we have no fuel mileage. It's at 0, and we're gonna run it. We'll start to see what it's doing, but the car's running. So Michael just told me there's a lot of guys in motorsports that are running this. There's one guy, I think it is in the off-road super trucks, running this in his engine. But everyone that's been using it said they've had basically a lot of increase in power. So that's really what I want to use it in, as my race car. I'm going to test it in this first, and my race car's not running, so that's even better. Now we're just kind of driving around, but it does feel a little smoother. I don't know if it's just in my head or what, but it does seem smooth. We haven't driven it near far enough to get any kind of gas mileage yet, but I want it to get like a whole week. Let's see, we're already almost up to where it was right now. We've just been kind of going through town. We haven't been on the highway at all or anything, so you can see our best is 34. We're about up to 25, 26. So we're 25 on there, average right now. So we are right almost where we were. So, but I really want to give it a good week to see what that's going to do. All right, so we just took the car for a little warm up, you know, 5 or 6 miles probably. But you can see right now, I did a mixture of a little bit of highway and in town. And it is already higher, which is weird. You can see on here it's over 30. So it was 26. It looks like it's right at 31 right now. So we'll see. It's a good start. All right, so we put the oil treatment in. It's actually been over a week, and we drove the car. Pretty good mix of, you know, highway and city. But I just want to put some mileage on it just to kind of see it. I'm surprised that the mileage actually has gotten better. I have actually seen 2 miles a gallon better overall, which is surprising, especially the summertime with the AC run and everything. But you can see right now, look, we're sitting at 30 miles a gallon. You can see right here, it's up over what it has been. So that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm pretty surprised. So looking forward. That's just the engine oil treatment. So I'm actually looking forward to trying some of the other products out. I actually want to try them on my race car too, especially the ceramic coating, just see if that'll help with some of the mud release and everything. But thanks a lot, Michael Lee with Green Auto Technologies.